The gorge underground.
Right.
Coolest place in the gorge.
We come just away from Florida to this place.
Classic tour right here.
Okay.
Classic parking over there.
Okay. So you gotta park over there. So, getting to check. Alright.
I got you right here then. I don't even need that. Looks like I might need some waivers. Is everyone over 18? I've got the iPads right over there.
Checking.
It's got the waiver right up that you're agreeing to.
So, something to keep in mind, if you're going to go to the gorge underground, they don't allow service dogs. I don't know how that's possible, but they don't allow service dogs. Working our way into the cave.
I've got one back. Now, if your hair gets in the way when you put the helmet on, not a problem. I've got some scissors. Okay, let me turn on helmet. Everybody doing okay? Anybody need scissors? Yeah. Last call on the scissors.
She just found that.
What's that?
I said she just found that.
Okay, you see. All right, so everybody got helmets.
Holy shit. Almost busted my ass.
So this is way nicer than the one before.
Water's pretty clean. This is some clean water.
This is freaking cool.
It's nice.
Peter's filming me and I'm filming him. It's so
My
cool.
camera just broke.
The sides are limestone, the bottom's limestone. And there are people that say, I'm old enough to be limestone. Not true. Well, see how you know we're encased in limestone. You guys know what we're in?
A cave.
Don't mind. Nope. Where are we at? We're about. What? Y'all know what AL8 is? No.
I know what Sand-Aid is.
What's that?
I know what Sand-Aid is.
I can't hear you.
Sand-Aid?
No, not Band-Aids, AL8.
No.
AL8, it's a local soft drink. Anyway, it tastes like ginger ale, top of it.
Oh.
Okay. What is that in the water?
Huh?
Right there. Oh. Okay.
What's that?
It's called a skeleton. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to do. I guess I just get home and maintenance and have to clean it up.
What?
It's got a concrete block type to it. Or sheet. And I can tell that's a real skeleton from here. It's a real skeleton made out of plastic. It is. I was waiting for somebody to say Jimmy Hoffa. And you know what my reply is? Give me Jimmy Hoffa. Who chambers that? Anyway, that's anatomically correct.
Oh, somebody for the movie died there?
There's an example of hieroglyphics. We have no idea what they mean, but we have top men working on it. Top men. We actually have got several people that think they know the game. Back. Now, these channels that I've been going up and down on, there's 5 miles of them. This is a nice back, nice and close. Now these bats, most of them are still outside. They're out eating mosquitoes. And when we have our first really serious frost, not these little 31 and 32 degree things, the bats will come in because the mosquitoes will all die. They eat about 1,200 mosquitoes a day. It's 1.5 times their body weight, which puts me to shame. I can't even eat 2 Big Macs. That won't afford me. Now, on my route, I take you on 1.2 miles of the 5 miles of channel. This chamber here to the right is probably the darkest. Last week I caught 22 kayakers hiding. Who's that? There's no deck.
22 kayakers hiding in there?
Yeah. Who'd look at it when I was, they were hiding right back here. They were going to come after me if I didn't see them. You see that L in front of the boat?
Yeah.
It's an L, chicken leg, or turkey foot, whichever you prefer.
Yeah.
That rock is called shale. Shale is what kills miners. Shale is unique. It normally doesn't have enough strength to hold its own weight. And when it's exposed like that, it falls, crumbles, and shatters like glass. This example hasn't done that. As soon as it's got limestone running through it, hold it up. Right there is an example of shale that has fallen. And when we clear the pylon on the right, I'll show you another example, which is over here. And this one left the impression that it in the picture. Okay. You see these lights? These lights are there to give you hope. That when I started up, the motor starts. Also, too, notice there's no wind down here. There's no current down here. It's very peaceful. If only it was warmer. Okay, we don't have to worry about it. It's in the wind. Which I told you might give you hope. That's really not why they're there. They're there for people that aren't guided kayak tours. You can rent a kayak from down here for 2 hours or wherever you want to. And this is so if your 2 hours is up, you can find your way back. Here's the problem. You've been down here for 2 hours. You've done some 360s. Do I go to the right? You gotta go to the left.
It go to the left.
It gets confusing. Common sense doesn't work that way. Okay, now, I should have opened, you guys should be asking me 2 questions after that. Do people get lost in the mind?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, have I ever been lost in the mind? Yes.
What?
It was my second day that I worked here. I had 16 people on the boat from Atlanta, Georgia, and I got lost for 35 minutes. However, that's in my past. Okay, today's a new day. Today's my 3rd day out here. Those white splotches, there's some gold.
Is that really gold?
Gold.
Gold. See, there's a lot there. See it?
Yeah.
Now the white is probably going to turn into looking like diamonds or silver. There's more gold there. More gold there. Now, let's think about this for a second. If that was real gold, do you think I'd be showing it to you?
I don't think
That's
so.
what I was thinking. Like, nobody was thinking.
These rocks were piled up deliberately by the miners to keep people out of this chamber. Problem? Shale. Now this piece of shale also has a drill tip stuck in the other side. And you can see that the drill tip serves 2 purposes. One, a drill tip stuck in the side means danger. It's not danger specific, it means you need to watch out. It could be toenailing in this. Also, too, this piece of shale keep it from falling. Also, too, there's some bugs in here.
What arañas? Spider! Oh. You don't see it? Yeah, I see it.
Now, there's our turtle. There's our turtle. You know that's not a real bug, right?
It's a big spider.
Okay, you guys know it's not a real bug, right? Okay, the reason I want to be clear, I don't want a 2:30 a.m. phone call. I can't sleep. That darn spider. The people who put in the skylight said it took 6 hours to put together. So we know they got it from IKEA. Okay, when we get to the dock, you guys wait until we get the boat tied in 2 places. Then the right side goes first. Look at that fish down there. Right in front of the boat.
Huh?
This way?
Obviously. We don't get to keep the helmets as a souvenir?
No. Should we put it here?
Wait for instructions, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. What are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I was testing the durability. What if that was my head in there, huh?
So that was it.
That was it for today's adventure. We
Have fun. The tour was good.
fun tour. Tour guide was a nice guy. His name was Max. I don't know. It might have been Charles, but
He was a funny guy.
it was alright.
We liked it. So
Yes. It was worth it.
something
Nice.
to do.
You could also
in Kentucky.
kayak it.
Yeah, it costs $30 per person in the boat.
Yeah, but if you kayak it, it's like 200 a person.
Yes, and I have a limit of weight for kayak, so
Yeah.
but it's good. Come and check it out.
Later.